Consumers are looking for choice, they're looking for flexibility, whether it's delivery options, whether it's the ability to pay how they want for goods, online or in store. Flexibility is definitely key, and merchants can provide that to the consumer through Klarna. As a consumer, you can elect to take goods home from a site that you've purchased. You can try them on, you can feel them. As we say at Klarna, bring the fitting room into the sitting room. Also, you can elect to pay for goods over a prolonged period. Klarna has Pay in 3 as well, which gives you the flexibility to increase the amount of items that you'd like to purchase, and gives you the choice to pay those off over 3 monthly installments.